See, the wind is too much and everything is flying. See, as you see, my colleagues, they're trying to save up the chairs and tables from the other shop. And the rain is too strong. I will not fly. I'm okay. Oh, see?
Hey, John, stop laughing at.
See the wind is. Oh, I'm trying to capture things out. So my colleagues are running here and there for all the chairs. We need to help the other neighbors. Kalas, the wind is too strong outside. Why, you want to be in the video also? See, everyone is having shower. No, actually, it's really strong in the wind and the rain outside. If you will notice, it's from the movements of the trees. Actually, it's not the rain, but it's actually the wind. It will blow someone. It's like a blizzard. Hassan! Stop doing like that! Come on, get inside! If you will see, like, it's like a blizzard. The blizzard of the wind and the rain. Hoy, Hassan, you get inside, you'll get sick. And it's not good to be outside. It's like this, the storm.
Good.
Actually, I'm hearing the complaints from the other side, part of Qatar. It's already zero visibility for all the drivers everywhere. And it's going to raise up the water as well.
You go for flying.
I will not fly!